Okay, I know what you're thinking. What the does My Little Pony have to do with anything about physics? Well, actually, quite a lot, and I'm here to tell you what. The first thing that we're going to go over is actually several things that I found in the one scene, and let's go ahead and take a look at that.
Looks like this is my last chance to turn things around. Phase 3, the Sonic Rain Boom. Winx, don't fail me now! Look upon me, Equestria, for I am Rarity! Uh-oh. Oh no! Her wings evaporated into thin air! Hold on, Rarity! I'm coming! I can't look.
Alright, let's look into the quote.
Oh no! Her wings evaporated into thin air!
First off, what we saw was a physical change. And the reason why I say it's a physical change because the wings didn't exactly evaporate. No, they were set on fire from the heat from the sun, and they combusted, and now you see the ash. So that is a physical change. If it was a chemical change and they evaporated into thin air, that would imply that some form of alchemy was going on, and that the wings changed into a combination of gases such as nitrogen, oxygen, neon, argon, carbon dioxide, helium, methane, krypton, and hydrogen. The next thing that we're going to look into is this little segment right here. Alright, what we just saw in this segment was called a Sonic Rain Boom, and it's created by the character Rainbow Dash when she accelerates faster than the speed of sound. When she did this, a rainbow followed her flight pattern, and also a rainbow also occurred at the area where the sonic boom happened. And also what we see while she is accelerating, which by the way is way too fast, is a Mach cone which appeared before the actual boom, but in real life the Mach cone appears after the sonic boom. And the reason why I'm saying that this is a sonic boom related scenario is if we use movie magic and put a picture right here, and you can see that there is a Mach cone forming, and there is a formula to how to measure a Mach cone, and it is sine of theta equals velocity of sound divided by the velocity of an object. So assuming that the speed of sound in the environment that Rainbow Dash is 343.99 meters per second, and I got that because of, I'm assuming it's 20 degrees Celsius at 101.43 pascals for air pressure with a 50% humidity since it's in a cloud city. That'll make 343.99 meters per second, and the image that you're seeing creates an angle at the moment that the sound barrier, or the rain boom barrier, broke for Rainbow Dash was 24 degrees 1 minute. So sine of 24 degrees 1 minute equals 0.407. So plugging that into the equation, the velocity of our object, Rainbow Dash, 343.99 meters per second divided by 0.407, which means that Rainbow Dash was going 845.18 meters per second the moment that she broke the sound barrier. Since we now know that she was traveling at 845.18 meters per second, and we divide that by 15 because 15 would be the amount of seconds that she was traveling, you get 56.35 meters per second squared, which converts into 5.75 G. 5.5 Gs isn't deadly, but it's also not pretty safe. For humans, the cutoff point is 11.5 Gs. That's when their body just shuts down. But for a Pegasus, there's no really way of telling, considering they're not real. But we need to keep in consideration that when Rainbow Dash actually caught up with her friends that were falling, she immediately pulled up, and that right there would have been way beyond 11.5 Gs, because that would have been going from 800 and over 845.18 meters per second to 0, because she would have had to come to a complete stop, change direction, and then proceed going. This one scene with these 2 instances in it was all I really have time for, but just an overview. The reason why this scene broke science was because 1, the wings disintegrated, didn't evaporate, and 2, the pony Rainbow Dash was going way too fast and was actually going 2.5 times the speed of sound before she actually broke the sound barrier. And then when she rescued all her friends, which I'm pretty sure you cannot keep a constant speed when you're carrying 4 ponies, but she managed to do it. But when she did, she managed to pull up instantly and go. There's no good shot of it, but I'm assuming it's a 90-degree angle, which absolutely nothing in the universe can do. Okay, so credit where due in this little outro. I used Windows Live Movie Maker. I used Microsoft Encoder 4 to use screen capture feature and record the scene from YouTube, and I don't plan on making money on this, so please Hasbro and Lauren Foss, don't sue me. I used GIMP to manipulate images for the video, such as when words would follow my dialogue. Any song that you heard throughout the video was made by a fellow brony in the fandom. I got it off of YouTube, but the song that you're hearing now I made, and it's my own work, and I claim all copyrights to it. Copyright, there, I claimed it. If you have any questions, please hold your breath. I probably couldn't answer it, but you might as well just try leaving a comment or asking me if you know me in real life. I hope you enjoy this video. Have a good day.